Click or Clunk is a great strategy to use to check students' comprehension of text. We will start to read together and we'll stop periodically. When we stop, I'm going to ask you to show Click or Clunk. Click, of course, is I get it, I understand it, I'm with you, we're all, we understand the words. Clunk means I've somehow lost my connection to the meaning. I've lost my connection to the understanding. There's a word in here I don't understand. You can stop and you can ask for a quick check. Do we understand this portion of the text? They hold up Click. Do we have some questions? Have we lost our connection to the meaning? Do we not understand what a word means? Students can hold up Clunk. And then you can use the strategies that you've used throughout your year or your unit to help solve some of the questions about what words mean or what's actually happening in this piece of the text. It's very hands-on. It is a way to keep students engaged because they know that you're going to stop and ask them every once in a while, do you get it or do you not get it? Click or Clunk.